Here is a big curiosity for today: could your cell phone be secretly sabotaging your weight loss goals? It might sound strange, but modern research has revealed that constant screen time could be the hidden problem behind stubborn fat and poor sleep. From late-night scrolling sessions to that addictive urge to check your phone, our devices may be impacting us more than we realize, especially when it comes to our health. Today, we'll uncover how blue light devices can be working against your fitness goals and what you can do to stop it. Welcome to Levitas. Blue light devices include any screens that emit blue wavelengths of light, typically found in cell phones, computers, tablets, and TVs. Blue light, part of the visible light spectrum, has a high energy and short wavelength, making it more likely to penetrate deeply into the eyes. While exposure to natural blue light during the day helps regulate our circadian rhythm, artificial blue light from screens can disrupt this natural cycle. Our digital screens are designed to emit bright blue light to enhance visibility, but prolonged exposure can significantly affect our health and sleep patterns. Melatonin is a hormone produced by the pineal gland in the brain, primarily responsible for regulating our sleep-wake cycle. It is often called the sleep hormone, because it plays a crucial role in promoting restful sleep. Melatonin production is influenced by light exposure, with levels naturally rising in the evening when it gets dark, signaling to the body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. Beyond just sleep, melatonin has other essential effects on health. It is a powerful antioxidant, helping combat oxidative stress in the body, which can slow down the aging process and protect cells from damage. Melatonin also plays a role in immune function, cardiovascular health, and even mood regulation, as it helps balance neurotransmitters that affect mental well-being. When melatonin levels are consistently disrupted, it doesn't just affect sleep quality, but can also weaken the immune system, increase susceptibility to stress, and contribute to long-term health issues. So, maintaining optimal melatonin production is vital for both quality sleep and overall health. Blue light exposure, especially from screens, has been shown to suppress melatonin production. Since melatonin is sensitive to light, blue wavelengths, in particular, interfere with its production more than other types of light. When we expose our eyes to blue light from cell phones and other screens at night, it sends a signal to the brain that it's still daytime, effectively tricking our internal clock. As a result, the brain delays melatonin release, pushing back the body's natural urge to sleep. This delay in melatonin production can lead to difficulty falling asleep, lower quality of sleep, and shorter sleep duration. Over time, regular blue light exposure in the evening can disrupt our circadian rhythm, leading to a state of social jet lag, where our natural sleep-wake cycle becomes misaligned with our lifestyle. Not only does this affect our sleep quality, but it can also impact our mood, metabolism, and immune system. Given how important melatonin is to our nightly rest and overall well-being, reducing blue light exposure before bed becomes crucial for supporting natural melatonin production and optimal health. Sleep deprivation has a profound impact on weight and hormone regulation. When we don't get enough quality sleep, it disrupts the balance of the key hunger-regulating hormones, ghrelin and leptin. Ghrelin, known as the hunger hormone, increases when we're sleep-deprived, signaling to the brain that we need more food. Meanwhile, leptin, the hormone that signals fullness, decreases, making it harder to feel satisfied after eating. This hormonal imbalance can lead to increased appetite, cravings, especially for high-calorie, sugary foods, and overeating. Furthermore, sleep deprivation affects our metabolism. A lack of sleep slows down the body's ability to process glucose effectively, which can lead to increased fat storage, and a higher risk of insulin resistance and diabetes. In addition, inadequate sleep raises cortisol levels, the body's stress hormone, which further promotes fat accumulation, especially in the abdominal area. Over time, chronic sleep deprivation can make it significantly harder to lose weight and easier to gain it. Restful sleep, therefore, isn't just crucial for energy and mental clarity. It's an essential part of any effective weight management plan, helping regulate metabolism, control appetite, and support overall body composition. Reducing blue light exposure before bed is essential for quality sleep. Implementing a screen-free period at least an hour before bedtime can be very effective. Alternatively, many devices now offer night mode settings, which filter out blue light by shifting the screen color to warmer colors. Blue light blocking glasses are also an option, especially if screen time is unavoidable at night. Dimming the lights in your home and opting for warmer, softer lighting can help signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Finally, consider a relaxing bedtime routine, like reading a book or practicing meditation, to ease into a restful sleep. But why is it so hard to leave your phone? It is because cell phones are designed to capture our attention. Through constant notifications, personalized content, and an endless feed of information, they tap into the brain's reward system, releasing dopamine, a feel-good hormone associated with pleasure and motivation. Every like, share, or message provides a dopamine hit, encouraging us to continue using the device. This creates a feedback loop where people find themselves reaching for their phones habitually to experience these little moments of joy and reward. Moreover, cell phones provide a convenient escape from stress or boredom, making them an easily accessible source of entertainment and distraction. Social media apps and games on cell phones use algorithms specifically tailored to keep us engaged, encouraging longer screen times and reducing the likelihood of putting our phones down. The constant stimulation from bright colors, varied content, and immediate social feedback are all carefully crafted to keep our minds hooked. This addictive pattern not only reduces the quality of social interactions but can also take a toll on mental and physical health by displacing sleep, relaxation, and exercise. It's a digital trap that can easily take over our lives if we're not mindful. Okay, we get it, you want to naturally improve melatonin and sleep. So, what foods improve melatonin production? Certain foods contain nutrients that can naturally boost melatonin production, supporting a restful night's sleep. Tart cherries, for example, are among the best-known sources of natural melatonin, making tart cherry a popular sleep aid. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are also great choices as they contain both melatonin and magnesium, a mineral that enhances sleep quality by helping to relax the muscles. Avocados are another fantastic option. They're rich in potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6, which aids in melatonin production. Additionally, organic oats and barley contain melatonin and can be beneficial as a light snack to be taken not less than 4 hours before bed. For those looking to boost serotonin, another important player in the sleep cycle, try eating foods high in tryptophan, an amino acid that converts to serotonin in the body. Turkey, milk, and beef are rich in tryptophan and can help support both serotonin and melatonin levels. Finally, leafy greens like spinach and kale are packed with calcium, which supports the brain's melatonin production. Including a mix of these melatonin-promoting foods in your diet can be a natural and tasty way to support better sleep and improve your overall well-being. In conclusion, our digital world is filled with blue light devices, cell phones, computers, tablets, and TVs, all emitting high-energy blue wavelengths that impact more than just our vision. Although blue light during the day helps regulate our circadian rhythm, excessive exposure from screens, especially in the evening, disrupts this natural cycle and hampers our sleep patterns. Cell phones, in particular, keep us engaged through notifications and content that trigger dopamine, fostering an addictive loop where constant screen time becomes routine, often at the cost of sleep. When melatonin production is interrupted by blue light exposure, especially at night, it doesn't just affect sleep. It undermines immune function, cardiovascular health, and mental well-being. This disruption often leads to sleep deprivation, which significantly impacts weight regulation by increasing hunger hormones and promoting fat storage. While blue light blocking tools can help, incorporating melatonin-rich foods like tart cherries, almonds, avocados, and leafy greens can further support a restful night and overall health. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated, it helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.